8:10 in the morning. I got out at midnight, went to bed around 2 o'clock. Can't go back to sleep, so happy birthday to me, and the biggest cup of coffee I could find. We got a package yesterday while I was at work. Let's go to the garage and check it out. What could this be? Well, there's only one thing that really it could be from Sabon that's that wide. Which means this thing's coming off. So for those that don't know, I actually got into a fender bender. I'm not sure if that's really repairable. Got told a couple of different things. Hey, it's fixable. Hey, it's not. I'm just gonna save myself the trouble. Got something from Sabon. Let's pull this hood off, which should just be a couple of 12mm bolts. Set that guy down over there, and then we'll open that thing up and replace the hood. As far as hood removal process goes, I like to put some towels on each side since I'm doing this by myself. And then you just have to disconnect these guys completely from the hood. Then it should be free to come out. That thing's off. Just some towels underneath. Got everything written out. Plans and all that other stuff. I suggest every person who's trying to do stuff to their car have a plan written out so that way they can see what they're doing. So for those that don't have these guys, it's literally the same thing. It's just still going to be 2 bolts. I just have the hydraulic arms as opposed to the old school stick. So let's open that dude. Well, that took a little longer than what I expected, but nice. Sea West, I think it's Sea West. Voltec style Sea West. Some random part number that I'll put in the description. This hood looks great. As far as putting it on, I just try to have, you know, like I said, a couple of towels. I try to get it in. Full of plastic tape. I just put a couple towels up, get one each side, you know, and slowly then just start working it. Would highly suggest you have a second person, but you know, that's just me. Round 2. So I have to use the OEM hood prop, the hydraulic arms. You're not supposed to use them. I was able to get these guys on. I didn't have to file anything down. I just had to press a little harder than what I thought was comfortable. So let's kind of give her a little manhandle. So I'm just gonna reconnect these guys as I don't have a prop. Oh, that sucks. I'm gonna put you guys back over here. Just a little rerouting. Probably gonna have to file just a little bit of carbon fiber to get these ends to go in all the way, but overall, not too shabby. Fitment wise, I actually think this hood is great. Just gonna pull the safety latch, get it down, and then cool, it's locked. Fitment wise, not too shabby, not too shabby at all. I have some play to work with. This one, I want everybody to know, obviously this is where the accident happened, and my support bar is actually bent in along with my fender. So while this one may not look all that well, or this side may not look all that great, it's going to be because of the accident. So we should be getting the exterior pieces within a couple of weeks. Hopefully that interior piece next week. That'd be great. I want to pull her out real fast. I know the front end's busted. Like, my latches won't even really latch anymore. But for a busted front end, I'd say that hood looks pretty damn good. I appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Like and subscribe if you guys want to see some more Evo content. Are you guys excited to see how, or what I do with the car? Let me know. I got a lot in store, and I'm really excited because the first half of 2021 is, going to be mine. Till next time.